Damu ije mazire myaka ene rukorwa kandi biliyoni ziri kurenga muri 3.2 nizo zigikozere. Okwigura damu egikwahikwaho na President wa ihanga rya Tanzania ahabwo kuba amashanyarazi aganigije no kukozesebwa ihanga rya Tanzania. Damu ejine yachikagate murongo power damu kandi ntebe kanseriho nejera ngo hariho damu ndije kwije kurara yakorwa erikumanya nkashungezi power dam.
I would also like to thank and congratulate the contractors, developers and consultancies for the job well done. I had a chance to visit the project and I saw it. It is really well done. Congratulations and thank you.
It's good that we are beginning to utilize this potential here. As you hear here, we have got 16 megawatts here, but 11 miles from here, downstream, we have Nshungezi, where we have got another 38 megawatts. So I am glad Her Excellency, you had her promising you that she's going to instruct her people to work with you on Nshungezi also.
President Museveni no mu bigambo bye yagira ngo ebe y'amashanyarazi cendezwe kurgaha bucweka 8 kuzaha bucweka 5.
That power, especially for manufacturing, should be about 5 cents. For nightclubs, I don't mind, it can go to 8 cents and so on. But, so what do you say about the cost? Because when we build dams with the Chinese, like the Karuma you are hearing about, the production cost is 4.8 cents. Karuma, the one the minister was talking about, 4.8 cents. Isimba, 4.8 cents. Now, our partners, the Germans and our other friends, how can we make this electricity cheaper?
Hano guyagira ngo iminyuranire hagati ya Tanzania na Uganda yanohora atwara amashanyarazi make na minji eshemerire rigifu Tanzania bagiha amashanyarazi kasitebanisha shura.
This argument about who takes more power, I am not part of that argument. If Tanzania needs the power more, they take it. They pay for it. They will not take it free. What's the problem? So, if they wanted 2 megawatts originally, now they want 4, they should get the 4. I authorize it now, here, now. If they want 6, take. If they want all 16, take, but they pay. What is the problem?
Kandi batakaza kutuguza amashanyarazi kabando kubagaguza amashanyarazi bacendeze ko sente za hansi abantu bitu babutosha batunga amashanyarazi agatariho sente nyingi.
Twatwatanisa hamwe kusharinga services ze nungi azaniche to kwatanisa kurungi agatitwe agatihanga ryete ya Uganda hamwe na Tanzania.
Ndruth nuwamanyo muri Isingiro.